In this video, I will show you how you can check the warranty of your Samsung tablet online. Now to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your tablet. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just open this website. After you open the Samsung official website, then just tap on this chat bubble. From here, just scroll down and tap on promotion and discount. Now after that, just fill this form. In the first name section, just enter your first name. In the last name section, just enter your last name. In the email address section, just enter your email address. And the phone number section, just enter your phone number. After that, just check I have read and agreed to the privacy policy and tap on submit. After that, just tap on speak with expert. Then just wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see, they have replied. Now from here, just type this. I want to check the warranty of my Samsung tablet. Now after you type this, then just go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just tap on about tablet, and from here, just tap and hold on the IMEI number and copy it. After you do that, then just go back to the web browser app and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Then tap on send. After that, just type, this is my IMEI number. Now just wait for a couple of seconds for them to reply. As you can see, they have replied. As you can see, the warranty start date of our Samsung tablet is the 24th of January 2026, and the warranty expiry date is the 24th of January 2027. And this is how you can check the warranty of your Samsung tablet online. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.